So that's the X6M with an H-pipe. Instead of an X-pipe, we did an H-pipe on this one. So a little bit choppier. You guys can hear the difference. We're gonna show you guys some split screen between the H-pipe and the X-pipe if we can find it. But there's an X6M, sick ass ride. Probably one of the sweetest SUVs you can buy. It's got the red interior, got full Alcantara headliner. The thing's sweet, man. I mean, black and red calipers, black wheels. The car is super sleek. You really can't get much more car than that. I do personally like the GLE. I think those are pretty sick. The AMGs are pretty badass. Just my personal preference, but this car is sick. You guys can see the quads. He could upgrade the tips in the future. We could probably pop some M Performance tips on there. And then, like I said, X6M, this is the competition series, so it is a little bit more aggressive. Sounds sick. Appreciate you guys. Like, comment, subscribe. Gexhaust David, Gexhaust Oakland Park. Gexhaust out.